guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Hey guys, today's video is going to be just me blow drying my hair. My hair has been previously washed. I washed my hair 2 days ago, so it's not freshly washed hair, but it's not old nasty hair. I really needed to just blow dry my hair to get a nice trim on the ends, and also to see where my hair is with like the density from the scalp to the ends of my hair. If you guys don't know, I'm sorry that I have to keep saying it in every video, but I did lose 45% of the density of my hair due to COVID. And at this point, I am just taking inventory of my hair strands. Yes, I said inventory. I am looking and just observing my hair every 6 months to see if my hair, if there's any progression, if I feel like my hair is thinning or getting thicker in some areas, which this is the case. I've noticed that the crown of my head is getting thicker, but it's still thin. It's thinner than the other parts of my hair. So with this blow dry, I really just wanted to try to see if my hair was really getting thicker at the crown of my head or at my scalp. And it's getting a lot thicker, but I can still tell that I have a very long ways to go. But you guys, please just keep watching this video. My hair, I put leave-in conditioner and oil in my hair. No, I'm sorry, I put grease in my hair, like the Blue Magic grease, and I also put my DIY oil on my hair to stretch it. So I was really comfortable with blow drying my hair on 2-day-old hair. But once again, I've showed you guys me blow drying my hair several times. I either stretch my hair in braids or I will stretch my hair in a bun. I wouldn't blow dry my hair from a bun state because that's where my hair was. It was in a low bun, and I feel like the ends of my hair was a lot more tangled because I let it dry in a bun instead of braiding my hair. But I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to put heat on my hair to blow dry it to stretch it out. But at the last minute, I was just like, yes, let me actually just take heat to my hair and do what I need to do to see where my hair is for the time being. So yeah, you guys, I still do the tension method with holding my hair and then blow drying it. I don't know where my, like the not comb attachment, like the, I don't even know what it's called, but I lost a different part to my blow dryer that wasn't the comb attachment, so it was a little bit more difficult to blow dry it. But you guys, I'm not going to ramble on in this video because I'm going to have a whole mouthful in the next video on my full thoughts on how I feel about my hair and my ends being so thin. And you guys, okay guys, I am done blow drying my hair, and as you can see, I have my little happy helper over here in the corner. I probably should straighten out or blow dry it one more time. This side did not get blow dried as good, but let me try to blast it one more time. Okay guys, so that wraps up this blow dry video. If you guys want to know what I think about what my hair feels like, I think I'm gonna just make another video for y'all. But this really wraps up the end of this video, and I don't think I did too bad of a cut job on it, but I have a lot to say and this video is already long, so I'm gonna have to make a completely different video